Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the support, guys. On that Mercedes today, guys, if you have a code such as P0412, okay, we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the solenoid for the EGR valve, secondary air pump. Okay, stay with us now. Okay, let's go ahead and see. First thing will be, guys, to always inspect your hoses. Always inspect the vacuum hoses. We'll show you where that valve is located. Okay, you need to lift that engine cover up and pull it out. So you always want to make sure that the wire is all the way in, the cables. You want to check all the vacuum hoses here, okay, because those tend to crack. Check the connection there as well. Okay, this hose and that three-way after the three-way here. Okay, check it out. This one started breaking. I don't know if it broke all the way or not. And if that doesn't fix it, then it's the valve itself. Okay, and you need to disconnect the wire. Pretty simple. We'll need to pull the vacuum hoses. Remember how you installed, how you pull them apart so you can install them the same way. Okay, and we can just pull it out, simply pull it out. Okay, right here is the release for it. Okay, you just go that way and pull it out. So this is the one right here, and let me see if I can get you the number. This is a 2003 E320. Okay, and this is the part number as well. Okay, and this is the code. So when you're ready to install it, guys, all you have to do, okay, just push it in here until it clicks. You need to install the hoses again. Always check those hoses, because a vacuum leak is really hard to check and it could cause a big headache. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully the video will be helpful, and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.